Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Prismic for secure preview links UI, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Prismic for secure preview links, start by navigating to your Prismic dashboard. Log into your Prismic account using your credentials. Locate the repository you want to work with and select it. Once inside, find the Settings option in the sidebar menu. Click on API and Security to access the necessary authentication settings. Create a new API key specifically for secure previews. Make sure to note this newly generated API key for future use. Now, move to your codebase where you'll set up the authentication process. In your project, locate the configuration file where you'll store your Prismic API endpoint. Insert your Prismic API endpoint in the designated configuration area. Next, include the API key you generated earlier within your authentication method. To enable preview functionality, configure the appropriate middleware in your application. Ensure that the middleware checks for the presence of a valid token during requests. Once the token is verified, allow access to the preview routes of your application. Now, set up a webhook in Prismic to trigger on publish or update events. In the webhook settings, specify the URL where your application will receive these updates. Your application should then process these requests to update its cached content accordingly. Test the authentication process by creating a new document in your Prismic dashboard. Publish this document and check if your application correctly reflects these changes. Finally, verify that the preview links are working seamlessly with secure access using the API key. You have now successfully set up authentication with Prismic for secure preview links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.